This is why being able to identify certain price levels matters way more than just opinions. If you guys remember, I told you if SPY or QQQ broke certain price levels, then we could start to have a bearish outlook on the market. Anytime that we get down to this 675 to 669 price level area, buyers are stepping in to protect this zone. So in my honest opinion, I don't think we can really decide to short the market until we see buyers lose this zone. And recently, when you're looking at QQQ, this shows us that buyers are doing whatever it takes to protect $593. If we do see weakness at $593 and buyers are no longer able to protect the zone, then expect QQQ to fall. So guys, when we first look at the SPY chart, I was telling you guys about this 675 to 669 zone. If we broke this zone, then we could start to become bearish with SPY. Well, SPY broke this 669 level recently, and you guys are seeing that the buyers have not been able to recover. And look where SPY is right now, $656. I definitely do believe we can get to this previous low of $651, and then we'll see how the market reacts when we get to this level. But we broke this $669 level that we were looking at. And when we observe the daily moving averages, we're below the 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, the 20 moving average, and today we're below the 200-day moving average. So that is definitely a bearish outlook for SPY. Now let's get to QQQ. I told you guys with QQQ, if buyers were not able to hold strength at $593, then we could start to have a bearish outlook. And look where QQQ is today, $589. And look where it is on the chart when we relate it to the daily moving averages. We're also below the 100, the 50, the 20, and the 200-day moving average. I definitely do think our first price target can be $582 if we don't bounce up from being below the 200-day moving average. But you can see how once we broke these price levels for both SPY and QQQ, the market is starting to flush downwards. So once we broke key levels for both SPY and QQQ, price moved exactly how we expected. This is why being able to identify certain supply and demand zones is important in your trading journey. You'll be able to predict better how the market will move.